Most missed calls turn into lost customers. By the time you call back, the moment has passed, and that potential customer has already moved on. TextBridge AI, part of IT AI Solutions, changes that instantly. The moment a call is missed, an automated text reply is sent, keeping the conversation open while the intent is still high. Instead of silence, your business responds immediately. TextBridge AI can ask key questions, capture important details, provide the information the customer is looking for, or even send a booking link right then and there. It meets your customer where they already are, on their phone, ready to act. By shifting the interaction from a missed call to an active text conversation, you stay engaged while others lose the opportunity. No chasing, no delays, no missed chances. Just real-time responses that keep leads warm and moving forward. This is how you recover lost opportunities and turn missed calls into booked jobs with IT AI Solutions.